morning or midday about the new enterprise standard and redefining best practices. Itzhak Pichadze.
First of all, thank you, everybody. It's a pleasure to be here. This is pretty much my first keynote, and I'm blocking your lunch, so let's start. So, digital twins became so popular these days that you don't have a conference, exhibition, or summit that is not talking about it. But what is it? Do we need it? Do you know even what it is? In the next 20 minutes, I will take you on a digital twin journey. Now, fasten your seatbelt. Yeah, I know it's a cliche, but marketing asked me to say that. Here we go. So, is the buzz around digital twins real? Do we really need it? Or we talk about the new generation of the flying cookie cutter? So let's get real for a moment. Yes, it is real, and yes, we do need it. But when it comes to handling large, complex models or complex machine, it's more of a headache than an actual game changer. I'm Itzhak Pichadze, the CEO and founder of Frontline.io. I'm a 40-year-old grown kid that really loves technology. In the past, I've created hundreds of digital twins. I think that most of them took a lot of effort and it was manual work. It required expertise and also sophisticated software. I got tired hearing about the promise of digital twins without seeing actual real-world results. So we decided to do something about that. We didn't want to join the chores of people talking about digital twins. We wanted to redefine it. This is exactly why we created a digital twin-centric platform. Now, the digital twin that can handle huge models. Doesn't matter if it's 10, 20, 50, or 150,000 parts. Our platform can handle that without a hitch. We're thinking about making models accessible, scalable, and useful for everyday tasks. The digital twin is the key to making XR working for you, and it's the heart of our infrastructure. We made a light, accessible, and accurate representation of CAD files that can run on every device. Now, let's talk about what makes Frontline.io digital twin stand out. First off, as I said before, we can handle any machine, no matter the complexity, no matter the size. Imagine a complex machine. It can be a full aircraft, an HP print machine, or just assembly line. Ready to use in a matter of seconds, without any hitch. Frontline.io makes it accessible in minutes. Now, it doesn't stop there. Our digital twin can run on any device. No matter if you're in the field using AR headsets like Magic Leap 2 or HoloLens 2, or using tablets like iOS, Android, and also phones, or you're in the training center using VR headsets and PC. Our platform enables a seamless experience across all devices that we support. You can access, interact with your digital twin anytime, anywhere. And the best part is, you don't need to wait days, weeks, or months until it's ready. It actually takes minutes. We actually brought this technology with us to our booth. So come by to our booth 301, bring us your most complex CAD files, and you see that in minutes, it can be converted into a digital twin. You can see the endless opportunities of what you can do with it. Okay, so we have created a digital twin. It looks amazing, it is visual, but what does it do? What is the value in it? There is no better one to ask rather than our customers, what did they do with the platform? Take a look at the diverse use cases that our customers suggested. Each customer selects which use case he wants to start with, and then he can scale it up both vertically with more users or horizontally with more use cases. Now, each one of these use cases solves a pain point, and there is always room for growth. Now, let's pick the top 3 use cases: learning and development, remote support, and maintenance. Effective immersive training focuses on engagement, adaptability, and accessibility. Training that feels like games can significantly improve retention by providing hands-on, real-world experiences for both individuals and also groups. Reducing travel costs is a key benefit of this as well. Virtual and augmented reality allow employees to build skills remotely, cutting down travel costs dramatically. Finally, AI-powered translation and virtual agents make training accessible to the global workforce, enable real-time, multi-language collaboration. These best practices make training more immersive, cost-effective, and adaptable to the organization's diverse needs. In the HP Training Center in Atlanta, Georgia, training is done in a different way. I will let Larry Carpenter, the training manager, to say more.
Hello, I'm Larry Carpenter, Senior Technical Training Expert at the HP Indigo Americas Training Center. Here we specialize in delivering comprehensive operator and service training for the HP Indigo Press portfolio. Over the past 3 years, I've had the privilege of collaborating with the Frontline.io team, and their XR platform has truly transformed our training approach. Our courses leverage HoloLens headsets, ensuring that the participants are well acquainted with the innovative technology when they return to the production floor. The feedback has been outstanding, and we're proud to have integrated XR services into every operator course that we offer. Additionally, we showcase the HP XR Services platform to potential customers. The moment they witness its capabilities in action, everything clicks. They immediately grasp how it optimizes efficiency and enhances productivity. In essence, Frontline.io's XR Services platform embodies both the present and the future of technical training.
It's important to know that HP XR Services, which is a white label of us, is one of the biggest AR deployments worldwide. We talk about more than 1,400 HoloLens 2 in the field deployed globally. But training is not limited just to training centers. What about on-site and remote training? London Digital Printing fully adopted a new way of training. I will let Shai take it from here.
Hi, my name is Shai, a lead trainer at Landa Digital Printing. Landa Digital Printing is a company with a customer focus at its core. Our presses are mission critical, and we take pride in providing the highest level of care to our clients. Any new system that we are integrated into our training program must meet our very demanding standard to ensure quick and efficient integration. We choose Frontline.io to simplify training and track performance for a better operational efficiency. With Frontline.io, I can train from anywhere, on any device, and at any time, at any skill level. Thank you.
Training will never be the same. XR make it effective, interesting, and based on our customers can cut costs by 50%, which is quite amazing. Now, remote support is another area where XR shines. A couple of years ago, I witnessed a remote expert trying to solve an issue of a horizontal line printed on a paper. Now, after 30 minutes, I saw they're pretty much stuck. Another 15 minutes went by, and then the expert asked, wait, is the page printed in portrait orientation? And then the technician said, no, it's printed in horizontal. In that moment, I understood that 45 minutes were wasted due to the lack of communication and synchronization. That experience reinforced that an effective remote support solution is the key to a successful support organization. Now, I'm seeing and talking to a lot of machine manufacturers worldwide in different verticals. And I think that most of them, if not all of them, hate PDF. It's not interactive, it's not interesting. You have no idea who is using it because there's no feedback from the field. And more than that, you don't know if they're using the updated version. But can it be replaced? I think that's exactly where digital twins can step in. I've picked a testimonial of a customer's customer that is using our solution. I hope that you're fluent in Japanese, but we also added English subtitles just in case.
もうないと辛いですねもうどのパーツかもやっぱ口じゃ説明しづらいのと、これがほんまに変えるべきパーツで合ってるのかどうかも不安なんですけど、ホロレンズ使うと実物も見ていただけるし、これをそこ掴んで左にグッと引っ張ってくださいとか、めちゃくちゃ具体的に指示もらえるので、やる時もめっちゃ安心して間違ってないっていうのがそうですよね。
The digital twin is at the heart of effective training and support. But what about interactive 3D flows and procedures? They offer the simplest way to provide clear instructions to end users, no matter if they're technicians, assembly workers, or trainees, or even doctors. And the best part is this. Creating and maintaining holographic-based procedures and flows is 5 times faster. This is the exact figure that we got from our customers. 5 times faster than creating and updating PDFs. Now let me tell you what I'm looking for in a good remote support solution. Let's start with the basic. High quality video and audio communication that can be used from any location. Ability to have multiple users joining at the same call to solve the issue faster with more input. Ability to capture and save HD snapshots to analyze in details and also troubleshoot the smallest detail, especially in print. Cross-platform deployment is a key feature. You don't need to rely on specific hardware. You can use any phone, any tablet, web, or AR headset. And lastly, a good integration with the digital twin itself, with all of its features. Now, if you don't have all of them, you might want to reconsider. Let's hear from Ayush Jain, HP XR Services leader.
When you're looking at a partner to bring in a technology that is revolutionary, you look for a partner which has a solid foundation that will help you scale up, and also in the same time be flexible enough to implement new features as you require immediately. When we were assessing partners, and we assessed about 100 partners, Frontline was the only company which had a platform that was so fundamentally strong that any new feature addition would be almost instantaneous. Frontline also gave us the tremendous scalability. It is the only platform that we know of even today where you build content once and you can deliver it in virtual reality, in augmented reality, on the desktop, in a video format. So literally, I am reducing time of content creation from 4 to 1/4 because I'm creating content only once and delivering it on different medium.
But it's not about just support. Maintenance benefits a lot from a Frontline IO digital twin solution. Imagine a customer or a technician guided step by step through a complex process that he never did in the past or didn't do in the last year. Using Frontline IO digital twin and mixed reality deployment, he knows exactly what to do and how to do it step by step. This is empowerment, leading to faster resolution, happier customer, and cutting down costs. According to Foster Research, replacing expert travel with remote expertise and self-guided task worker is a huge, significant saving, ranging from $1,000 to $6,000 per trip. Now, what makes this possible? Streamlined spare parts management process. The digital twin itself makes it easy to view and update spare parts catalogs, simplifying both spare parts management and production, and import efficiency. It allows you to quickly and easily view, change, search, and access information. A few key features of the spare parts. The spare parts is quite important. It's relevant to every machine manufacturer. Parts are super easy to edit. You just change, rename, and you can do a lot of changes to the name itself in the app itself without the need of a programmer or 3D artist. You can create spare part view that allows you to search spare parts and even order them faster. Metadata is a key thing. You can add any information to the part itself. That information you can search, and in the near future, will enable AI that can read that information and give you self-based guided and insights. Another key feature is the cross-platform deployment. Our 3D parts catalog can be deployed on a variety of devices, including mobile, tablet, PC, Mac, VR headsets, and also web. Such cross-platform deployment enables you to provide a seamless experience to your clients, no matter what device they are using. Now, at Frontline.io, we are committed to fulfill the diverse needs of modern enterprises. With Frontline.io, you don't need to guess. You don't need to imagine solutions. You experience them. It's time to leave the guesswork behind, step into a future where training, maintenance, and support happen in real time with real impact. So far, I told you about the product itself and the key features. We're also building a global partner network that would enable us to help us to deploy and support this platform globally and also localized support. One of our key strategic partners is here with us today, a company called ClickBond, which specializes in aerospace and defense. Their use case is one of the key use cases in aerospace and defense, by the way. Who can tell about ClickBond more than ClickBond CEO, Carl Hutter?
Hi, I'm Carl Hutter, the CEO of ClickBond, and for nearly 40 years, we've been in the business of delivering incredible solutions to industry that have revolutionized the way that aircraft, spacecraft, and other high-performance vehicles have been designed, manufactured, and maintained. Excitingly, the aerospace industry is at a real transformation point, with new sources of energy, business models, and vehicle types just around the corner. Aircraft are going to be built at a scale that we've never seen before in more places all around the globe that don't necessarily have a historic experience with aircraft construction and maintenance. That just adds to a workforce challenge that our industry is already facing. As a generation of skilled technicians retire and a new wave of talent is brought into our industry, these digital-first learners and digital-first doers will be far more accustomed to turning to an app or an electronic source of information than the binders or PDFs on a screen that their predecessors did. ClickBond is taking its experience at the front lines of aerospace assembly and maintenance. We're putting the most advanced and capable tools into the hands of the best talent that the world has to offer. We call these new tools ClickBond Digital Solutions. And we're fusing together the human talent, the connected tools, and the systems of record that underpin a strong manufacturing system and combining them through data streams that will allow the human beings to receive in context, validated work instructions.
That's quite impressive, Carl. The digital solution vision is inspiring, but how does it fit in?
Mixed reality technology allows us to literally immerse the human talent in the information that they need to accomplish these technical tasks. As we embark on this digital solutions journey, we're super proud to be a partner of Frontline carrying their XR platform technology into the aerospace and defense industry in North America. Frontline provides a versatile and extensible augmented reality, mixed reality authoring platform that really meets our needs as we rapidly develop solutions in this space. Together with those features, Frontline also is inherently collaborative, built around powerful tools that allow for simultaneous concurrent interface with work instructions and sensor information. So teams around the world can offer support to the frontline worker who's in front of that workpiece doing that job in a rapidly evolving space like digital manufacturing, there's a lot that's unknown. And so the ability to go quickly, to iterate, and to figure out what are those features, what are those use cases that'll really meet the moment and deliver value to our customers and to that global technical workforce, that's the key. And having a partner like Frontline has been amazing in our ability to accelerate and reach those answers more quickly.
Now, these days at Augmented Enterprise Summit, you can come by, experience the wide variety of opportunities you get with the Frontline IO digital twin. To the AAS attendees, we're offering 1 month of free access to the platform itself with live demos with your own content. In minutes, we can turn your CAD file into a digital twin with a single click, ready to be animated, flowed, and also create XR experiences, demonstrating the future of your operations. Even if you don't have a CAD file, come by our booth. We can talk about how we can streamline your operation needs. As I said, come by our booth, bring your CAD file, and challenge us. Thank you.